Welcome to Fat Tutorial. Let's make this mechanical design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, okay.
So select the top plane, sketch, go to the center rectangle like this, okay. Go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 400 and this dimension is 120, okay. Go to the feature, extrude base and this dimension is 30, okay. Then go to the chamfer, select this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. So for this purpose we use the distance and distance chamfer type. So we select this and we will use symmetric, so it is 25, okay. Select this portion, sketch, draw two circles on center like this and like here. Go to the smart dimension and distance from this end to this end is 280 and the dia of this circle is 55, okay. So select both circles and make it equal like this. Go to the smart dimension and distance from this end to this end is 60, okay, and distance from upper end is also 60. So go to the fully defined sketch, calculate and okay, and go to the feature, extrude cut, blind to through, okay. So sketch this portion again, go to the center rectangle like this, go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 120, okay. Go to the feature, extrude base and this dimension is 105, my result, okay. So select this portion, sketch, go to the line like this and make it round here, something like this, okay, and close. Go to the smart dimension and this dimension is 25 and this dimension is also 25. The distance from this end to this end is 200. Go to the feature, extrude cut, blind to through, okay. So select this portion, sketch, go to the corner rectangle like this, go to the smart dimension, this to this dimension is 35, this to this dimension is 35 and this dimension is 20, okay. Go to the feature, extrude cut, blind to through all, okay. Select this portion, sketch, select the corner rectangle again like this, go to the smart dimension, this dimension is 50 and distance from this end to this end is 35 and this dimension is 55, okay. Go to the feature, extrude cut, blind to through all, okay. So go to the fillet, select this portion, all edges, okay, and we will use 0.2, okay, and close. So the fillet is applied, so now we have to apply the material. So go to the penises and we will go to the plastic and we will go to the high gloss. So we will apply this material. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. I will upload similar tutorial like this regarding 3D modeling, designing and animation. Please support my channel and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.